I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
East Coast kid, you know I'm back with it. Talking about that big burner, yeah, that thing, kid. You already know, son. The key for ain't thinking. You already know the big burner, that's my friend, big buddy. You already know how I be. I love things big and sick and bloody. You already know it's how I be. You already know that burner, only thing that love me. Or in the game and public, and that's to my music. That's how we do it. The tools that we use quick. Yeah, for the clown niggas, say the scared. Trying to scatter around the game, trying to pass the game out. And with the murder, come on, dog, you ain't gonna get me. I got a burner, you already know, still strapped. Cock and bat, let's load it up. For a fact, just get ready. You already know I'm here. You better recognize the East Coast kid.
I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
East Coast kids, I'm off in this bitch. You already know where to be. I'ma launch you with this. Come on, dog, launch these two clips and load them up. Put them in the handle and let it fuck them up. Literally, you already know where to be. Come on, dog, got the game still really dirty. Gotta get it bloody, you heard me. The game is mine. You already know, son, the dick still shine. Come on, dog, don't remind me how I get down. Cause I know how I do, nigga. Sit down, shut the fuck up and pay attention. You already know the game is mine, so I'm always on that murder mission. See that blood on the screen, you see what I mean? Come on, run the game, you wanna see with the whole team that I got on my sideline, nigga. You already know where to be, fuck around with it, nigga.
I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
To the world, I let it be known, if you need that gun, get one. Matter of fact, get another one. 6, son, you already know where to be. Let them know you in control. Let them know you on top of the game. They better follow. And instead of stay slow in their mind, cause you know where to be. Try to catch up with me, nigga. I'm cocking back nines. Matter of fact, got one loaded up now. You know we're always blind. All these little niggas that come around. Yo, you better stay intense. You already know, dog, cause I'm a fine dog, and I'm out like I ain't got no sense. I'ma lose my mind, lose control. You already know 2 of these 9s and 4 you hoes. You already know all you little gold diggers come around tricks. You already know you on my dick. 2 clips, it's about to fill you up quick. Yeah.
I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
Look at me, dog, and I'm back on the track. Keeping the gangster, yeah, like I lay back. I'm in the bed line, come around queen size in the game. Well, I'm a king, right between the bitch thighs, letting me know. And then she slip, gun go between the legs and the click clack. You already know, pussy get feel quick, yeah, with the bullets. Come on, son, I'm pulling it, yeah, like before the shit. You already know I'm real with it. Come on, dog, it's still gripping it. Come on, dog, you slipping it. Little niggas and bitches talking about, yo, they wanna hear me spit some shit, but I ain't no show off, so just go off. You already know it's really beat before I have to use a chainsaw, motherfucking chop your ass up. You already know the game is mine, dog, off the block. Come on, dog.
I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
Yeah, I'm back on a mission, back on the block, still being on that murder. You already know that big burner, so hope you listen. Cause you already know you about to be like Tina Turner, be missing. Come on, dog, get the kids in the stage. You already know, like you got a own show, nigga, I'm on a rage. Come on, dog, ready, let it be known, let it loose for the little clowns. Come around, son, shoot you down. You already know, dog, I ain't trying to challenge you, dog. But you know, if you wanna challenge me, meet me in the yard. You already know what all niggas get spark. You already know the chop dog live for real. Cause you already know police, yo, they stay in my field. Hold 'em out, yeah, little pistol, like you the last deal, like your last meal. I'm like, fuck out of here, nigga.
I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
Yeah, watch me clean my gun. You ever know one, pick one. Yeah, nigga, I'm still on that tip. Still on the game, you ever know, Grammy kid. Come on, dog, rhyme like this. Little nigga in the back of the line. Still following the case and the traces. Little niggas hold up, still erasing the blind. Little niggas out the places. Still me, dog, against my game like you being racist. Come on, dog, make me stay in the game of laces. Come on, dog, what you mean, get the loosened. You already know I'm back, dog, introducing. Get them two guns and my friend's son. You already know, son, you wanna see it. Want me to introduce you to. You already know what it be. It's going to you that death. Yeah, what it be, son. Yeah.
I'm turning to you because you always seem to know what to do. So in times like these arise, I call on my only true friend in the world, my girl.
East Coast kid, motherfucker.